The origin of this knowledge comes from the angel Jibreel alayhi salam, who taught the Prophet, peace be upon him, the Quran and its proper recitation in all the dialects of the Arabs. The Prophet ﷺ then taught the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, who taught the succeeding generations, and so on. Okay. So the origin of ilm al-tajweed is whom? It is Sayyidina Jibreel alayhi salam, okay? Not as that he sat and said, this is med, this is idgham bi ghunna, right? This is ikhfa, this is iqlab. No, but rather in that he recited it to the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Well, the wahi came to the Prophet in two ways. Sayyidina Jibreel would come in the form of a man, Dihya al-Kalbi, and recite to him, and the Prophet would hear it and memorize, and it would be memorized to him in his heart right away. Or it would come as the ringing of a bell into his heart, all right, and he would know it and recite it. Okay. The Prophet also knew the Arabic language was not something that was in doubt. There was not something questioned. It was not, how to recite was not something that was they needed to learn. So when he recited, that's how he recited. He also reviewed the Quran with Sayyidina Jibreel once a year. And before his death, he reviewed it with him twice. The last Ramadan, that's how the Prophet ﷺ knew that this was his time on the earth has coming to an end. Also that he had conquered Mecca, which was the height. And Allah promised him that he would constantly be in ascension. His state would constantly be getting better and stronger and more powerful. So when he conquered Mecca, which is the greatest thing to conquer, right, then he knew that that was the end as well. So that's how the knowledge of tajweed was reviewed over and over as in its practical form, not in theory. The theory came later by scholars. All the words, the names, and the terms came later by scholars.